Look at this, guys. Not a soul in sight. Love it. Got lovely horses to look at, grazing. No screaming fucking kids. Let me adjust that strap. Apparently these are not for losing, and if you do them upwards you'll cause... Let's go on a better fucking path, mate. That was fucking horrible. That was hyperextending my ankle to slightly right and left. How you doing on the angle? Do, yeah. No cinematic shots today, my son. Ain't got time. Gotta get to Beardown Farm. I need to go to Tavistock first. Go to Whitchet's Common. Go for poo at Tavistock. I'm decided not to do any driving footage because I've got shitloads of driving footage at Dartmoor. I'd rather save my footage for stuff like this. Ground's a lot drier today. A lot fucking drier, mate. Yesterday was fucking horrible. This was boggy. I'm actually looking down. I have got a head mount for... which one shall I go for? This one or this one? I think I'll go for the one on the left. Thank you very much. That's boggy, I don't want to step in that. Let's go this way. Don't need any fucking compass, mate, or a map, but I've got it just in case. You never fucking know. There we go. That was boggy yesterday. There we go. Very warm in the tent today. I was cooking. It's weird, isn't it? It's like cold at night. This is the bit that's a fucking bitch. Right, if I slightly... how the fuck am I supposed to get across that? You know what I mean? Let's have a fucking look. There's a bit on the left. That's even more boggier there. Let's go this way. Fucking Jesus, mate. The thing is, bollocks, because the river's overflowed. Bollocks, mate. Bollocks, bollocks, bollocks. Right, let's see what happens. Come on. It's fucking boggy here, mate. Bog city. Because I've got a hiking pole, that's going to sink in there, mate. Let's go this way, fuck it. Oh shit. Right, I'm in a predicament now. Fuck's sakes. Fuck's sakes. Bollocks. Know what I mean? Whole river. I'm just gonna fucking get across that, mate, see what happens. I crossed it last night. It's a bit deeper here. It's a bit shallower there. Let's go it. Jesus Christ, mate. Let's go for it, come on. Don't need a hiking pulse for this bit. Stand. And get across. Up. Right, I'm just going to take some footage of here to catch in a bit.